In 2026, the Linux desktop landscape is more diverse, more polished, and more welcoming than ever before. And among all the choices available today, one Linux distribution continues to stand out as a hidden gem that quietly delivers power, stability, and simplicity in equal measure. That distribution is PCLinuxOS. When we talk about a Linux operating system that truly bridges the gap between beginners and experts, PCLinuxOS deserves serious attention. PCLinuxOS is not new, it is not flashy, and it does not chase trends for the sake of attention. Instead, PCLinuxOS focuses on something far more important, providing a rock-solid, user-friendly, and highly customizable Linux experience that just works. Imagine installing a Linux operating system that feels complete from the first boot. Imagine a system where you do not need to hunt for drivers, struggle with codecs, or search endlessly for essential applications. That is the core philosophy behind PCLinuxOS. PCLinuxOS is designed so that when you install it, you already have a fully functional desktop environment, multimedia support, office tools, system utilities, and a polished user interface ready to go. For beginners, this means less confusion and fewer barriers. For experts, this means a clean, efficient base that can be shaped into anything they want. PCLinuxOS is a rolling release Linux distribution. This is extremely important to understand. A rolling release model means you install PCLinuxOS once and continuously receive updates for the system, the kernel, drivers, and applications without needing to perform major version upgrades. Unlike fixed-release distributions where you must reinstall or upgrade every year or two, PCLinuxOS keeps evolving smoothly. In 2026, this rolling release approach makes PCLinuxOS feel modern and up-to-date at all times. You always have access to recent software versions while still enjoying stability. One of the strongest points of PCLinuxOS is its commitment to stability despite being a rolling release. Many people associate rolling release Linux distributions with breakage or instability, but PCLinuxOS proves that this does not have to be the case. The developers carefully test updates before pushing them to users. This means that you get new features and security patches without sacrificing reliability. For beginners, this is reassuring. For professionals and advanced users, this level of consistency is invaluable. The desktop experience in PCLinuxOS is another major highlight. PCLinuxOS traditionally focuses heavily on the KDE Plasma desktop environment, and in 2026, KDE Plasma on PCLinuxOS is smooth, responsive, and visually stunning. KDE Plasma offers a familiar layout for users coming from Windows, with a taskbar, start style menu, system tray, and desktop icons. This familiarity makes PCLinuxOS especially attractive to users who are migrating from Windows to Linux for the first time. At the same time, PCLinuxOS is not limited to KDE Plasma. There are editions of PCLinuxOS featuring XFCE, Mate, and other lightweight desktops. This means that if you have an older computer or simply prefer a simpler interface, PCLinuxOS still has you covered. The flexibility to choose different desktop environments is part of what makes PCLinuxOS suitable for both beginners and experts. Installation is one of the areas where PCLinuxOS truly shines. The PCLinuxOS installer is straightforward, graphical, and easy to understand. It guides you step by step through language selection, time zone, keyboard layout, disk partitioning, and user creation. You do not need to be a Linux expert to install PCLinuxOS. In fact, many first-time Linux users report that installing PCLinuxOS is easier than installing some mainstream operating systems. Another key advantage of PCLinuxOS is hardware support. PCLinuxOS includes excellent driver detection out of the box. Graphics cards, Wi-Fi adapters, sound devices, printers, and USB peripherals are usually recognized automatically. Proprietary drivers, when needed, are easy to install through the package manager. This means less troubleshooting and more time actually using your system. Speaking of package management, PCLinuxOS uses the apt package management system similar to Debian and Ubuntu-based distributions. However, PCLinuxOS has its own repositories, carefully curated and maintained. The graphical package manager in PCLinuxOS makes installing, removing, and updating software simple. You can search for applications by name or category, read descriptions, view dependencies, and install with a single click. For beginners, this graphical approach feels intuitive. For advanced users, command line tools are also available for full control. Software availability on PCLinuxOS is impressive. You will find web browsers like Firefox and Chromium, office suites like LibreOffice, media players like VLC, image editors like GIMP, and countless other applications ready to install. Development tools, programming languages, and system utilities are all easily accessible. Whether you are a student, content creator, programmer, or system administrator, PCLinuxOS provides the tools you need. Multimedia support is another area where PCLinuxOS excels. Many Linux distributions require users to install additional codecs to play certain video and audio formats. PCLinuxOS includes multimedia codecs by default. This means you can play MP3 files, watch videos, and stream content immediately after installation. For beginners, this removes a major frustration point. For experts, it saves time. Performance is a crucial factor in choosing an operating system, and PCLinuxOS performs exceptionally well. It is lightweight compared to many modern operating systems, yet powerful enough to handle demanding tasks. On newer hardware, PCLinuxOS feels fast and responsive. On older hardware, especially with lightweight desktop environments like XFCE or Mate, PCLinuxOS can breathe new life into aging machines. Security in PCLinuxOS is taken seriously. Regular updates provide security patches and bug fixes. The Linux permission model, combined with sensible defaults, helps protect your system from malware and unauthorized changes. Firewalls and security tools are easy to configure. For everyday users, PCLinuxOS offers a safe environment. For professionals, it provides a solid foundation for secure workflows. Customization is one of the hallmarks of Linux, and PCLinuxOS embraces this fully. With KDE Plasma on PCLinuxOS, you can customize nearly every aspect of the desktop. Themes, icons, window decorations, fonts, panel layouts, widgets, and animations can all be changed. You can make PCLinuxOS look modern, minimal, colorful, or classic. You can make it resemble Windows, macOS, or create something entirely unique. This level of control is incredibly empowering. For beginners, customization can start simple. Change the wallpaper, switch to a dark theme, adjust font size, add a widget. For experts, customization can become deep and complex, involving scripting, custom window rules, and advanced desktop effects. PCLinuxOS supports all of this. One of the underrated strengths of PCLinuxOS is its community. The PCLinuxOS community is known for being friendly, helpful, and welcoming. Forums, documentation, and user guides are available to assist newcomers. If you run into a problem, chances are someone else has already encountered it and found a solution. This sense of community support makes a huge difference, especially for beginners. PCLinuxOS also places a strong emphasis on quality over quantity. Instead of flooding repositories with thousands of poorly maintained packages, PCLinuxOS focuses on maintaining a well-tested and reliable software selection. This approach contributes to the overall stability of the system. In 2026, many users are concerned about privacy and data collection. PCLinuxOS respects user privacy. There is no built-in telemetry collecting personal data. You are in control of your system. This transparency is one of the reasons many people choose Linux in the first place, and PCLinuxOS fully embraces this philosophy. Another important aspect of PCLinuxOS is its suitability for learning Linux, because PCLinuxOS provides both graphical tools and command-line utilities. Users can gradually learn more advanced concepts at their own pace. Beginners can rely on graphical interfaces. As confidence grows, they can explore the terminal, scripting, and system configuration. PCLinuxOS does not hide Linux from you, but it does not force complexity on you either. For developers, PCLinuxOS offers an excellent environment. Compilers, interpreters, IDEs, and libraries are readily available. You can develop in Python, C, C++, Java, Rust, Go, and many other languages. Container technologies, virtualization tools, and networking utilities are supported. PCLinuxOS can easily serve as a development workstation. For content creators, PCLinuxOS provides tools for video editing, audio production, graphic design, and streaming. Applications like Kdenlive, OBS Studio, Audacity, Blender, and Krita run well on PCLinuxOS. Hardware acceleration support helps improve performance in creative workloads. For office and productivity tasks, PCLinuxOS is more than capable. LibreOffice handles documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Email clients, calendar applications, and note-taking tools are available. Cloud services can be accessed through browsers or dedicated clients. PCLinuxOS can function as a complete daily driver for work and personal use. Gaming on Linux has improved dramatically over the years, and PCLinuxOS benefits from these advancements. Steam, Proton, Lutris, and other gaming platforms can be installed on PCLinuxOS. Many Windows games run well through compatibility layers. Native Linux games are also available. With proper drivers, PCLinuxOS can be a solid gaming platform. System maintenance on PCLinuxOS is simple. Updates can be installed through a graphical update tool or the command line. Backup utilities are available to protect your data. Disk cleanup tools help manage storage. PCLinuxOS does not overwhelm users with constant prompts or intrusive notifications. One of the most appealing aspects of PCLinuxOS is its consistency. The system feels cohesive. The default applications are well integrated with the desktop. Settings are logically organized. Menus are intuitive. This attention to detail creates a smooth user experience. In 2026, many Linux distributions are experimenting with new package formats, new init systems, and radical design changes. PCLinuxOS tends to be more conservative. It adopts new technologies when they are proven and stable. This cautious approach appeals to users who value reliability over novelty. PCLinuxOS is also an excellent choice for dual boot systems. You can install PCLinuxOS alongside Windows or another Linux distribution. The bootloader configuration is handled automatically. This makes it easy to test PCLinuxOS without giving up your existing operating system. For people migrating from Windows, PCLinuxOS offers a gentle transition. The familiar desktop layout, easy software installation, and strong hardware support reduce the learning curve. Many Windows users find that PCLinuxOS simply feels comfortable. For macOS users, PCLinuxOS provides a powerful alternative with more freedom and control. You are not locked into a closed ecosystem. You can customize everything. You can choose your tools. You own your system. For long-time Linux users, PCLinuxOS offers a refreshing experience. It combines traditional Linux values with modern convenience. It does not try to reinvent everything. It focuses on doing the basics extremely well. PCLinuxOS has been around for many years, and its longevity speaks volumes. Projects that survive and thrive for decades usually do so because they have a clear vision and a dedicated community. PCLinuxOS is a testament to that. In a world where technology changes rapidly, PCLinuxOS remains a steady and dependable option. It does not chase hype. It does not force trends. It evolves thoughtfully. When you install PCLinuxOS in 2026, you are getting more than just an operating system. You are getting a platform that respects your time, your hardware, and your freedom. You are getting a system that can grow with you, whether you are taking your first steps into Linux or managing complex workflows. PCLinuxOS proves that Linux does not have to be difficult. It does not have to be intimidating. It can be welcoming, powerful, and enjoyable. For beginners, PCLinuxOS offers an easy entry point into the Linux world. For experts, PCLinuxOS offers the tools and flexibility needed for advanced tasks. For everyone in between, PCLinuxOS offers a balanced and reliable experience. If you are searching for a Linux distribution that simply works, that respects your choices, and that provides both simplicity and power, PCLinuxOS deserves a place at the top of your list. In 2026, with so many options available, choosing the right Linux distribution can feel overwhelming. But sometimes the best choice is not the loudest or the most advertised. Sometimes the best choice is the one that quietly delivers excellence day after day. That is PCLinuxOS. PCLinuxOS is not just a Linux operating system. PCLinuxOS is a philosophy of stability, usability, and freedom. PCLinuxOS is a platform you can trust. PCLinuxOS is a system you can make your own. And that is why in 2026, PCLinuxOS truly stands as one of the ultimate Linux operating systems for beginners and experts alike.